Hey guys, it's Amol from Digital Conqueror, and if you're looking for something that can help you with batch image resizing of images, there is a quick tool I would like to recommend. But before that, let me show you how it exactly works. So these are the images I have received for a blog post that I'm about to post, and as you can see, these images are about 131 megabytes, and these are quite large. So I don't want to keep this big size of the images, and I want to resize them all, but it is not possible to edit the images if you go into these options. So I'm using batch image converter. It's by Pearl Mountain, and I'm going to select the images just by dragging and dropping, and let me show you how quick it really works. All right, so the base image format is JPEG. So I'd like to keep the quality 100% and resize based on percentages, as I don't know, some of these images are like in portrait mode and some of them are in landscape mode. So by doing this in by percentage, I'm making sure that everything is resized as I need it. So let me first see what is the resolution of this image. It's 533 by 709. Okay, so I'd like to reduce it by, let's say, 75%. If the whole resolution is 100%, it's going to be reduced by 75%. Let's see how it works. I'd like to give a location on my desktop. Images are getting converted now, and there are about total 23 images. Let's check this now. The size has been reduced, and if we check the total size, it's now 126 MB from 132 MB. Like this, if you have a number of HD images you want to back up on the cloud or use it for the blog post like I'm using this right now, you can use this batch converter easily. Apart from this, you can change the formats of the images, change the quality of the images, use watermark on all of them, create a text watermark easily. It's for my website, so I can easily use this watermark all over my images, and it will do this in batch, in bulk. That is quite helpful for me as I do image resizing on day-to-day basis for posting articles on my blog. This is a really cool feature if you want to change the names serially or something like that. There are a lot of variations you can try. There is some color correction, image corrections as well, and you can insert borders or crop the images by certain size. But make sure you try anything, whatever you do, try it on a one image. You can use the setting in a bulk. So here it is, it's from Pearl Mountain. I have covered the review of this tool a long time back, but I didn't use it as much when I reviewed it. But since last year, I started using it quite a while, and there are a lot of formats this tool can convert, and it costs about $29.90. It's not very high price to pay if you're using image resizing on day-to-day basis. And if you try and do these many images manually, it will take at least half an hour of your time. So it's your choice. There is also a free method I have seen that you can do without any tool on someone else's YouTube video. I'll post the link, but it's free. If you are going to use image resizing only once in a while, you can try that technique. For daily basis, it's still hectic and it's not productive, and there are not as much options as you can see here. That's it from today's tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please hit a like button if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for gadget reviews, how-tos, and a lot of interesting videos. Thank you for watching Digital Conqueror.